people, welcome back to the channel. This biker is testing his motorcycle with his friends. He notices some problems and he is stopping now to solve it.
Fucking set on fire.
Move it. Push it forward. Put the kickstand down. Kick it down.
Are you okay?
Yeah, we're okay. You have a
My
fire?
bike caught on fire.
Okay.
Guys, before we move on to one really fun clip, subscribe to the channel and like this video. It's your support for me and that will give me motivation to make better content for you. Thank you so much. Karen is in the car ahead. She tries in every way to block the biker, but it's not that easy. Let's see. This biker is in a hurry. He tries to pass between vehicles. It will not be an easy job. Let's see. This biker encounters a driver on the road who needs a help. The way he does it, it's amazing. Let's see. This biker is stopping at a traffic light. He is very bored and starts a conversation with the driver next to him. That conversation turns into a very unfriendly conversation. Let's see.
Got your good hands. What's up? What's up? I said, what's up? I said, so what's up? I didn't say so what. Up. What's up?
The driver is not in good mood today. The conversation with him is going in the wrong direction. Also, the door on his car does not look friendly.
You think you know what I carry? Don't give a what you gotta say. Dude. I can't hear.
What is going on, everybody? Ryan Pistons here. I only have like 20% in my battery. I wasn't expecting to come to this ride at all, but here we are. So I'm not gonna be able to film a lot, but yeah, I did not know this is gonna be such a big ride.
Riding a motorcycle in a group almost always brings some unpleasant events. That was also the case in this situation. One careless biker caused a traffic accident and almost a mass street fight. Let's see.
Whoa! Oh, yoy, yoy, yoy, yoy. Oh, the ruckus. Hey, hey, hey, hey! Stunt news! Stunt news! Oh, come on, man. You guys are ruining the fun. Ah.
Yo, look at that thing. It's hanging off the... Look at that, bro. Behind bumper protector stuff is like hanging loose. Look at... What is he doing? Oh. Yo! Yo! Brother didn't see me, man. Bro, he didn't... Yo, that was dangerous. Alles goed, ja, nee, maar niet uit, rustig aan, hè. Yo.
This guy rides a motorcycle in his neighborhood. He passed this street several times. That greatly upset his neighbor, who is ready to argue. Let's see.
Huh?
What you doing?
Just riding around?
Just riding around?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the neighborhood, it ain't a racetrack, okay?
I wasn't going fast.
I heard you up and down here, okay? I'm just letting you know, okay? Do not do that. And I'm not gonna argue with you. You got that? It is not a racetrack. Drive slow. There's children to play around here. Do you want to argue?
I'm not saying anything.
Very good. That's your warning right there.
The driver of the red car made a wrong turn and he's now trying to correct his mistake, but in an illegal way. He is waiting to turn right into one-way street, however, the street is full of cars. the other drivers cannot continue straight and are very angry. Let's see.
Kavgaya gerek yok bak. İçeride hanımım var. Gerek yok. Tamam boş ver abi. Gerek yok.
Geç karşıda bekleyeceğim oğlum geç.
Abi gerek yok. Boş ver. Bak içeride kızım var, şeyim var. Boş ver. Hiç gerek yok. Devam et. Al bak korkmalar normal. Boş ver. Sen devam et. Kim bilir ne, boş ver ya. Gerek yok. Hayır sen de devam et. Boş ver.
Polis geliyor, polis.
Tamam devam et sen. Boş ver.
Karşıya geç bekle. Karşıya geç. Ben oğlum sen.
Bak.
Polis geliyor.
Bak abi. Arabada eşi var, şeyi var. Dur tamam.
Polis geliyor, polis.
Abi. Bak. Bak arabada.
Görüyorum ya beyefendi bak. Sonra saldırıyor.
Arkadaşlar bir sorun varsa hallolur ya.
Kıvır ediyor ya, kıvır ediyor.
Ya kocaman adam.
Kıvır ediyor ya. Ya kıvır ediyor, kıvır.
Araba senin. Ne sıkıntı ne ya?
Kıvır ediyor ya. Pezevenk diyorlar. Ne pezevenk?
Bak sen bana konuşuyorsun. Sen de oluyor ya. Sen de oluyor ya.
Guys, thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you don't want to miss next one, subscribe to the channel and now enjoy this beautiful environment.